After a beautiful awakening in the bamboo hut directly in the Colombian jungle and some morning movement, we started our day. Now we are at a coffee plantage where they build Colombian highland coffee. And it's the oldest in South America. They have brought machines there in 1800, I don't know, we will know. The guy will show us now the machines and all the production.
These are the beans.
The green beans. This Colombian guy showed us how coffee production works. The coffee beans are picked when they are still red.
Produce yellow beans.
In the rainforest, the coffee bushes grow under the big trees. There they are picked and then they come with water pressure through pipelines directly into the factory. There they are processed by machines.
If the coffee is not mature, escape complete. Yeah? Good coffee, not good coffee.
Okay.
Green beans.
The waste of the coffee is toxic to the groundwater. Therefore, the waste is processed as compost. 99% of this coffee is destined for export. The coffee will be roasted in the importing country. After visiting the oldest coffee factory of South America, we went back to Cartagena to pick up our new pillows. As you can see, we have already the pillows for our boat, and it was a big deal. The ladies were amazing and they did a great job. And now our cockpit will be soft for sitting on the floor.
Not only soft, also beautiful.
Soft and beautiful. In the afternoon we visited the old part of the city. Very nice. The colors of the streets are so nice in Cartagena, so different. And these bicycles are tuned as a Harley Davidson. A Harley Davidson for poor people. Who is fascinated by Cartagena? Back on the boat, we tested our new pillows and we were surprised. Today is the first time that I eat something else, not on the boat. Something else than eggs, beans, pancakes or oatmeal. Today I get broccoli with Kaffee, I don't know. Spring fruit.
Na, das gibt man, ich habe schon mal gewusst.
The white one here. So we eat vegetables, eggs and nuts on our new pillows. So we have to be very careful that we don't make spots, fat spots or something like that. Thank you for this nice meal.
You're welcome.
Maybe you can remember last time the impeller of the outboard engine was damaged and I ordered some new ones over eBay and Sue brought to me from Austria. Now I have 4 of these pieces and now I will build in this little thing and then the outboard engine will go like a boost. Today is like a sauna because it's no wind outside, and as you can see I'm sweating like in a Finnish sauna. It's no difference. Today I want to build in a king size bed, or I will update or modify it. Here we have the new pillow. This will come here inside, and with these 2 woods I will build here another plate. So now we will have a lot of space here. Nice. One more project done. Now I'm going on the mast and mount a new wind vane, which Sue has brought from Austria, because the old one has broken after the storm and I lost some pieces here, so I will mount a new one now. I opened again the panel here. I will try if the wind clipper is working. Now I will connect it here and then I make a test. I think I have to make a setup first. It's working, it's in the panel now. So we see the wind, the depth, the autopilot and the control panel for the Yanmar engine. Yeah, and today we started painting because we want to have a little bit more white inside. Here's Miss Painty, Miss White color.
Yeah.
And it looks like that, a little bit creek with blue and white. These are the next 2 walls, which we will paint in white. How are you?
Wonderful. Like a sauna.
Sauna painting. So it's getting brighter in Tavarua now. Our floor is really dirty and I tried to polish it with baking powder, but it was not working anymore because it's too dirty. And now Sue brought some cork from Austria. It's only 2 millimeters strong, and now I will try to replace it with the cork. Yesterday in the evening we did the cork floor. We gave out the old carpet floor, which had a lot of dirt and bacteria inside, and so we replaced it with this nice cork. Now we have cork here inside. Cork, everywhere cork. It looks nice now, and also the white walls give a little more brightness in the Hallberg-Rassy, so it's really nice.
Pumpkin. Today for dinner we eat pumpkin. If I can cut it.
Can I help you?
No, no help. Ah! Oh, look,
Oh, animals.
seeds.
No, seeds. Today in the evening we have an invitation. A guy from France, he's called François. He helped us bring some parcel for our daughter's birthday to Barranquilla. Barranquilla. And in return we said we will invite him for a dinner, and this one is today in the evening.
And I did a Colombian cake.
Mm.
First.
Should I try it? A little piece?
Yeah, but a small one.
If it's good or not?
Yeah, and then attention for the bottle. How is it good? Buono.
Buono.
Not buono, sino buono.
Buono.
Bueno.
Bueno. So prepared a wonderful dinner for our guest, François Mitterrand.
François Mitterrand!
François Mitterrand. Some years younger.
Yeah.
So now we arrived in Brisbane and we are at the international station where we will drive to our first hostel. In the afternoon we are going to the first family and we are very excited.
Alina and her friend Leonie will work and travel in Australia and New Zealand. This gives them the opportunity to get to know the country and the people and travel with low budget. Don't miss the next episode where we'll do some more boat work and you will get an update from Vita's adventures in the US. But this and much more in the next episode. So subscribe to our channel, please support us on Patreon, and see you next time. Peace, love, and follow your dreams.